Hello, boys and girls. This question is about the time taken for Form 6 student by school A and B going to school every day. I will let you read some of the data from the cumulative frequency polygon here. So let's try to look at part A first. Part A will let you find the range. So let's look at the purple line about school A. There are 60 students totally, and some students live very nearby. They only take 20 minutes to school. That's the smallest data. And some of them may live quite far away, and they take 50 minutes to the school. That's why the range here would be 50 minus 20, which is 30 minutes here. And then similarly, for the green line in the diagram, for school B, the smallest one is 10, the biggest one is 60, because the original data is about the traveling time to school. That's why we got 60 minus 10, which is 50 minutes. And you are asked to determine which school has a larger dispersion in the time taken. So you can look at the range. 50 is larger than 30 minutes, which means that the data set in school B got a larger dispersion. The data is more far away. That's why school B has a larger dispersion. After that, in part B, we are interested in the interquartile range of the two schools. To find the interquartile range, we divide the 60 students into 4 equal parts. For each part, there are 15 students. That's why we would like to find Q1 as well as Q3 to find the interquartile range here. So that's why, first of all, we may consider the Q1, which is the first 25% of the data. So divide the 60 here into 4 equal parts. That's right. The 15th is here. We would like to find is about the traveling time of the 15th student, because our original data is about the traveling time. That's why 15 is not a data here. Instead, there's 25.5 and 50.5 for school B and school A respectively. And similarly, we try to look at the 45 students for equal half, and that's why we would like to look at the 45 here. So once again, by using the dotted line shown in the diagram, we can find the Q3 of the two schools very quickly. So I try to add some arrows here to facilitate your understanding. So 60 we divide into 4 equal parts. That's why we're interested in the traveling time of the 15th student and the 45th student here. That's why we, on the vertical axis, we got 15 and 45, and a dotted line, and then go downwards to find our Q1 and Q3. Based on this, we can get our calculation done. So for the purple line, Q3 is 58.5 minus 50, in which we got X minutes only. And for school B, we got 42 minus 27.5, in which we got 14.5 minutes, of course. Well, once again, we have to solve the comparison. 14.5 is larger than X minutes, which means that school B got a larger interquartile range, and therefore The data are more far away in the data set of school B. That's why school B has a larger dispersion in the data set shown in the diagram.